Right guys, I'm going to show you today how to change the front brake pads on a Peugeot 208 1.2 petrol, but should be the same on all the other models, to be honest. So yeah, first what we got to do is loosen up the nuts a bit, and then we're going to jack up the car, take the wheel off completely. Okay, so with these Peugeots, what it is, you can't actually put a nut straight onto these. These are just caps, safety caps that go on top of a 17mm nut. So the way to take it off if you haven't got a special tool is literally just get a little hook like this and then just pry it in there, and it'll pop out eventually. It's off, just like that. And then you'll see all the nuts are in there. This one's unlocking up. As you can see, we've got the wheel off, full lock the wheel left. I'm just going to spray some WD-40 here, a bit of WD-40 here. Then we're going to release both of these nuts. They're both 13 mils. So I'll show you as I go along. Just spray a bit in there, spray a little bit in there, just let it penetrate for a second. Get your 13mm spanner. So we see anti-clockwise, so we're going to be going up like that. Same with the bottom. Okay, so the bottom nut looks like it's been rounded off or some sort. It's not really a 13, I think it's a 12 now, so I'm going to have to work on that. I've got both of the nuts off. The top was a 13, the top was a 13, sorry, and the bottom was a 12. I don't know why. Find out on the other side it's the same thing, but yeah, now we can just simply lift this up and then put it on a bungee cord and hang it up there. Or I've got these little hooks that I'll show you what I'll be using. Okay, so I've taken off all these old metal retaining clips that the brake pads sit on. Because when you buy a Brembo set, they come with new ones, so they simply just pop off and they clip on. Easy as that. So I'm going to be applying some of this Peugeot brake lube in here, and there, basically in all the points, so the brake pads can run freely. As you can see, I've applied the lube in all the points. These are the new pads. Simply just slide in. So, same on this side. Just tuck one side in. Tuck the bottom in, and tuck the following. Like that. So now, I've already kind of pushed this pin back. You can use the wind back tool, but I kind of wedged it back as I was taking the brake caliper off with my pry tool here, little crowbar. I don't think I'm gonna have to pry it back anymore, so I'm gonna just put this caliper back on top of the pad. So yeah, I had to push the piston back a little bit more using this wind back tool. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the 13mm nut, sorry, the 12mm nut at the bottom. It should just line up. Just hand tighten it first, like that. You can feel biting. And then get the 13mm nut. Here's the top. Yeah, bro. Tighten it, and that'll be your brake pads done, and it's exactly the same procedure on the other side as well. So yeah, that's how you change the front brake pads on a Peugeot 208.